Oh, God.
Vision outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Weather message. Severe thunderstorm watch number 482 remains in effect until... Weather bulletin. Weather message. For the following county, Indiana County, Pennsylvania, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, eastern Westmoreland County and southwest Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Armagh and was moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Armagh. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.